So good morning students, it is a computer science class of grade 12, lesson number 5, we are going to see searching in a binary file. For example, listen, I told you .dat means this is a binary file. Okay, so .dat means it is a binary file. Okay, it contains two records. Okay, it contains two records. Okay. So the roll number is 111 and name is AAA and mark is 77. Roll number 222, name BBB, marks is 88. Okay. So this is the information was found in stubin.dat. Okay, fine. Now you see here in the search keys, if I give 111 in the search key, if I give 111 means if I run the program, what will come? You see. Can you see this 111 roll number? Okay. So roll number 111, name AAA and mark 77. Okay, fine. So if I give OK means that 111 record alone will appear. Understand students? So roll number 111, name AAA, mark 77. Understand? So the search was successful. It will display. Okay. So for this only we are going to write the program. Okay. Fine. Once again I will say, you see, I will close this window. Suppose in the search key, if I give 222. Okay. So you just see the stubin.dat. Can you see 111? Roll number 222, name BBB, marks 88. Okay. So if I give F5 and OK, then that row alone will appear. Okay. Roll number 222, name BBB, marks 88. Understand students? Okay. Suppose if I give 34. Okay. You just see here. Is there any roll number 34? No 34. Okay. So that what will come? So what is the output? F5. Okay. You see? So searching in the file, no such records in file is appear. Understand students? Okay. So listen. So now if I give 111, 222. Okay. We know that both the roll numbers are there. So if I run means what will come? F5. Okay. So that both the roll numbers 111 and 222 records both are appeared here. The search was successful. Understand? Okay. Fine. So if I give 34, 21. So now what will come? If I give F5. Okay. So only two such records, 111 and 222 are appear. Okay. Whereas, excuse me. So only 111 and 222 data will appear. Whereas the 34 and 21, the records are not found. So it won't appear. Understand students? Okay. So where is the file reference? Okay. You can open this one. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the program. Now let's go to the program. Okay, fine. So listen carefully. So for this program, it is a binary file, right? You see, .dat means we are dealing with binary file. Okay, fine. So in the binary file, we are going to search. Okay, fine. So whenever you saw a binary file, your first line should be import pickle. Super. So pickle means what? Pickle means it is a library module. Okay. It is used to read or write in a binary file. ஒரு binary file நீங்க read பண்ணனும்னாலும் சரி இல்ல write பண்ணனும்னாலும் சரி, you have to use import pickle. Understand? Okay. So now store is equal to dictionary. Okay. And we know that flower bracket means it is a dictionary. Okay. So stu is equal to an empty dictionary, right? Now listen, we are dealing with the stu bin.dat, am I right? Okay, so in the file nama enna pannom, we have to open and we have to read these two lines. Okay, then only we can able to grasp the data. Okay, fine. Okay, so stu bin.dat அப்படிங்கற ஃபைலை நம்ம read mode ல open பண்ண போறோம். Once again I will say, we are going to open stu bin.dat in read mode. What is this b? B defines it is a binary file. Okay, R means what? We are going to read that file. Okay, and the file நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? read பண்ண போறோம். Okay, so these lines in the stu bin open பண்ணி read பண்ண போறோம் அப்படிங்கற கான்செப்ட நான் stu file ஸ்டோர் பண்ணிட்டேன். Okay, hereafter stu file means stu bin.dat நான் open பண்ணி read பண்ண போறேன்னு அர்த்தம். Clear? Okay. What is the search key? Search key, suppose if I give 111 means that 111 line alone will record alone will appear. Suppose if I give 222 means that 222 record alone will appear. Okay, suppose if I give both means both record will appear. If 32 is not in the stu bin means that will not appear. If 21 roll number is not in stu bin.dat means it won't appear. Understand? So எதெல்லாம் நம்ம சர்ச் பண்ணனும், எனக்கு இவங்களோட டீடைல்ஸ்லாம் வேணும்னு நான் கேக்குறேன். ஓகேவா? சோ அந்த யாரா டீடைல்ஸ்லாம் வேணும்னு நான் கேக்குறேமோ அதெல்லாம் நம்ம இந்த லைன்ல கொடுத்துறோம். வெரி சிம்பிள், தட்ஸ் ஆல். ஓகேவா? உங்களுக்கு யார் டீடைல்ஸ்லாம் வேணுமோ அவங்களுடைய ரோல் நம்பர் மட்டும் இங்க கொடுத்துட்டா அவங்க நம்பர் stu bin.dat ல இருந்தா that will appear. Clear? Okay. So now we are going to try the program. So in this program we are going to use try and except EOF error. Okay, fine. So in the try எதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுது? For what purpose we are using this try? Very simple. We are opening the assume that we are opening the stu bin.dat. Okay va? Initially the file pointer will be here in the starting position. Am I right? Okay. So you see in the try enna பண்ணும் அப்படினா it will try to read the first line. Okay, then இப்போ end of file வந்துருச்சா? இன்னும் வரல. அந்த ஃபைல் முடிஞ்சிச்சா? இன்னும் முடியல. Okay, then once again it will try. Then once again it will try for the next line. Okay va? So இப்போ end of file வந்துருச்சா? Yes, EOF. Okay, so listen, in the try enna பண்ணும் அப்படினா I will tell you this try what it will do means it will try to read the first line. இங்க வரும்போது செக் பண்ணும் whether it is a end of file or not. நீங்க சொல்லுங்க, it is a end of file or not? No, it is not end of file. Okay, so once again this try will execute, try while will execute, then this line will be readed. Okay, it will come to the end of the position. Okay, இது end of the file. Yes, this is the end of the file. Okay, so எப்ப இந்த file pointer in the last position end of the file position வருதோ and that time only this except EOF error will execute, this portion will execute. Understand students? Okay, so the try and while இது எதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுது அப்படினா it will try to read the first line and again it will try to read the second line. Once if it is reached the end of the file and that time alone this part will execute. Once again I will say, so end of the file வரல அப்படினா this will execute, end of the file வரல அப்படினா this will execute. Once it reaches the end of the file means this part will execute. Clear? Super. Okay, so now we are going to see this what purpose we are using while true. What purpose we are using while? Suppose now while use பண்ணவே இல்லைனா okay, this load will read only the one record. அதாவது suppose if I not use the while means this portion will execute only one time. So what will happen? Only one line only will read. Second time it won't read. So எத்தனை லைன் இருந்தாலும் திரும்ப ரீட் பண்ணனும் அப்படினா we have to use while loop. Clear? So listen, come here. What is this load? Load means what? I will ask you a question, you just tell me. What is load? Yes, dot load means it will read only one line or it will read only one record. Understand? Okay. Then why we are using pickle? Because pickle we had, you see, pickle is used to read or write the binary file. Okay, so pickle use பண்ணாம உன்னால readம் பண்ண முடியாது writeம் பண்ண முடியாது. So we need the use of pickle. So that's why I'm using pickle dot load. Understand? Okay. Then what is this stu file? Stu file means very simple. We are dealing with stubin.dat. It is a binary file. Okay, but this binary file was stored in the file object stu file. அதாவது இப்போ நான் stubin.datல எது ரீட் பண்ணனும் அப்படினா நான் stu file தான் யூஸ் பண்ணனும். Once again I will say, if I want to read the stubin.dat, I have to use only the stu file object. So I am using stu file object. Okay, so stubin.datல ஒரே ஒரு லைன் ரீட் ஆகும். Okay, such that now it will read only this line. So listen carefully. Listen. So dot load means stu file dot load means it will read only the one record. So that what will happen now? So it will read only the one line. It will read only one line. Okay, fine. So now if stu of roll number, okay, now listen carefully. Stu of roll number means stu odia roll number எது? Which one? It is nothing but 111. Okay, so okay students, just listen. So okay students, listen. So if stu of roll number means, so stu of roll number means what? It is 111. Okay, so stu of roll number means we can write 111. Okay, in means in. Okay, then search key means this data. Okay, you see, search key means this data. Okay, so copy and here we can paste, Control V. Okay, so roll number means 111, in means same in, then search key means, so this data I am writing here. Okay, so now how it will check? In the 111 in the search key kulla irukka illaya? Yes, this 111 is appear inside. Okay, so this 111 is appear inside, so the answer is true. Okay, so true means this data, listen, these two lines will execute. In the 111 in the list kulla irukalla, so if the condition is true, so these two lines will definitely execute. Okay, it will print stu. Stu means on the 111 related on a complete line will be displayed. Understand? So listen carefully. So print stu means, so on the 111 related on a complete line will be displayed. Understand? Okay. Now immediately found value will be true. You see, we had found one record, so that found value will be true. Okay, then listen carefully. நம்ம ஒரே ஒரு லைன் மட்டும் ரீட் பண்ணனுமா இல்ல எல்லா லைனும் ரீட் பண்ணனுமா? Yes, we have to read all the lines. So we have to use while loop. Understand? Okay, so because of the while loop, the true முடிஞ்சனே, then once again it will go to while true. Once again it will go to while true. Then stu is equal to pickle dot load stu file. So stu is equal to pickle dot load stu file. That means once again it will read only one record. Which record? The next record. Then once again it will read the next full record. Pickle dot load abina it will read the next record. This record. Understand? Okay. So now listen carefully. Okay, now it will read this record. Now listen carefully. Stu of roll number. Stu of roll number means what? You see, stu means this complete yellow line. Okay, then stu of roll number means what? It is 222. Okay, so here what will come? 222 will come. Okay, so 222 in search keys. So listen carefully. In the 222 in the list la irukka illaya? Yes, this 222 is found inside the this list. So the condition is true. So this condition is true. The condition true anala these two lines will be executed. Okay, the condition true anala these two lines will be executed. Okay, fine. So print stu. What is that? Print stu abina enna? That 222 line will be fully displayed. So this 222 line will be fully displayed. Okay, fine. So now listen, then immediately found value will be true. Then once again it will go to while loop. Okay, fine. Listen carefully. Once again it will go to while loop. So it once again it will try to read the pickle dot load read one record. Pickle dot load read one record. So actually the file pointer will be here. This is called as end of the file. Okay, so the end of the file is yes, no? Okay, end of the file reaches itself, yeah? Yes, it reaches the end of the file. So once it reaches the end of the file, which will be executed? Yes, this end of file error will be executed. Okay, appo enna agum? If found equal to false அப்படினு ஒரு क्वेश्चन மார்க் கேக்குது. ஓகேவா? அத நம்ம பார்த்தோமே, found is nothing, found is was true. Okay, so found equal to false or not, this condition is false. So these two lines will not execute. Okay, found வந்து true தான், அதனால found false னு கேட்டோம்னா இல்ல, so these two lines will not execute. So only else part only will execute. So it will print search successful. Understand? So it will print search successful. Okay, understand students? So that's why if I run the program F5, okay, excuse me, sorry, we have to cancel this one. Okay, so F5, okay, so the roll number 111, the roll number 222, both the lines are executed. Understand? So அது ரெண்டு லைனையும் என்ன பண்ணுது? stu bin.dat வந்து search பண்ணி it will display in the print screen. So at last it will display search successful. Understand students? Okay. So hope you understand. See you in the next class and thank you very much.